For anyone that sells something online, it's important to understand what affects conversions. One factor marketers need to measure is how conversion rates differ across devices. That way, they can ensure they're delivering the best experiences for every user on any device. Today, I'll show you how to do that with FullStory. To start, I need to track clicks on a certain call to action. With FullStory, there's no need to set up tracking events on my site to get started. Take this call to action as an example. We can see that the text within this button is Add to Cart. In the app, I can use this to search for users that clicked on an element when the text is Add to Cart. And there you have it. Without any extra code or hassle, I have all the users that performed this event. Next, I'll repeat a similar search for users that clicked the button with the text Checkout. Then create a filter for users that click the Purchase button. Last, I'll come up to this dropdown and select in this order and within the same session. To quickly access this segment in the future, I'll click here, which will save it under Your Segments. Now, let's go to the event funnel to see the conversion rate across all devices. Here's where I'll break down our results based on device type. Scroll down to Device Breakdown and hover over Mobile. I'll see that the option Add to Search appears. Click on this and each event will now have a new condition placed on it when device was mobile. I'll save this as a segment too, but I'll add a mobile identifier so I can quickly distinguish the difference. If I look at the event funnel now, I can see that the conversion rate is lower on mobile compared to the conversion rate across all devices. Now I can use tools within FullStory to uncover the cause. For example, I can use Session Replay to watch individual recordings of users in this segment to understand possible hangups. What are your conversion rates across device types? Log into FullStory and try it out for yourself. And if you ever need help or have questions, feel free to reach out to support@fullstory.com.